And I'm Alvin the Collins. That's right. Whoa. You know, I once remembered that I thought there were monsters under my bed. Well, Jimmy, I had a big misunderstanding. That wasn't a monster under my bed at all. Only my squishy rabbit slippers when I was a baby cone. It was not that scary, just kind of fluffy. Okay then, let's watch. Oh, I told you I'm not good at this.
Well, it's not something. It's someone.
Hey guys, what they need? What? Yeah, so fear not. Santa Claus will come right down the chimney, eat all the cookies, deliver presents, and cheer you up from all the way to the North Pole. Oh, right. That was supposed to be said till Christmas. No, Jimmy, not a pretty bit. Oh, a little bit. Yes, Santa? Look, Charlie, you're not afraid because that's why. So, me and Jimmy would need to move. Jimmy, you better sing the song. So what you gonna do? Exactly. Well, technically, compared to the Lord, he would look like not a teeny little cornflake, but a little puddle of water. Hey, funny fact, God made all those stars under nothing. He just went, and then do. And guess what? They were there. Wow! You gotta admit, Ryan Dunham is a pretty good actor. Not only did he make all those things that Jimmy mentioned, but he made all the plants, the animals, and don't forget the people too. Oh, and by the way, there's someone else who wants to meet you. Technically, it's the actor who played Frankenhead. Your name, sir? I thought your name was Phil Winkelstein, and you're an actor from Toledo. Everybody there! He's so cute when he's asleep. Come on, not interfering? Got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as I, Alvin the Cone, proudly presents the Baby Kangaroo song. Singing the first Goofy song? Can we just end this song already? Okay, which one of you guys is King Darius? Okay, allow me to introduce myself. So, King Darius, that is what your dream means. Hold on. Did you say trouble? Okay, I have to disagree with you on that. What trouble could come bursting through that door in this hour? Can I help you with something, fellas? So you guys are wise now. Do you always have to be wise, or did you went to school for that? Okay, this is getting awkward. Hey, I can see my house from here. No way, that's a mountaintop.
Hey, someone explain to me why am I here?
I'm uncomfortable with this. What in the heyday just happened? Very funny. That last one did not make sense. It's not so creepy down here. A little musky and filthy, but not so creepy. Nice kitties. Good kitties. Oh no, what am I gonna do? It looks like I'm gonna end up in lion stew. Huh, right. Hello? Hello? Oh yeah, King Darius, I'll be right up. First I gotta say goodbye to my new friends. Well, hello everybody. Well, bye Larry, bye Curly, bye Bo. Oh, and thanks for the pizza. Why, thank you, Jimmy. It was my finest hour. We gotta wrap up the show first. Yep, and in the Bible, Daniel learned that the Lord was taking care of him. Even down there with those big, scary lions. Actually, it's the stuff you need for meatloaf. That's a good idea, Jimmy, for Sam. Bye. And I'm Alvin the Cone. Yep. Yeah, Jimmy. Oh, Colin Cavanaugh. Now that is amazing. Very interesting question. Darn, I almost had an idea. Oh wait, now I remember. I'll tell Colin the story of the squares of wrath. Once upon a time, there was some very cranky square. Yes, it's like the grapes of wrath, but in an erratic twist. Please do not interrupt. Thank you. Once upon a time, there was some very clanky squares. Yep, pretty much. So anyway, one day, the squares were driving around in their car when suddenly they hit a stump. Oh, hey! I just said that. Hello? Jimmy, that was just it. They didn't know how bad it made Charlie felt. But luckily, Charlie's dad heard him laughing and came out back to see what's all the commotion out here. Oh, for crying out loud! I just said that! I'm right there, you know! Okay, actually, you can't see me, but I'm right up top of anything! So, Charlie's dad, which is Dad Smiley, explained to the squares how when we make fun of people, it makes us feel very, very bad inside. He also told them that when we hurt other squares, it not only hurts their feelings, but it hurts their Lord's feelings too. Oh, this is where it gets to the good part. So, Charlie's dad, which is Dad Smiley yet again, explained to Charlie that when we apologize, like saying we're sorry, and we really, really mean it, we have to accept other people's apologies. And that way we'll all feel better inside. Oh boy, this is the part where Charlie gets really sensitive. That's right, the squares are really, really sad this time. And so once again, Charlie accepts their apology. The story comes alive in many ways. I don't care. Charlie, if you think of this, I said, once again, Charlie accepts their apology. I think so. Hey, Jimmy, am I serious? Oh, Jesse? Yes? Okay. Thomas and Real Square. Are you guys really sorry this time? Wait! You see, Charlie, when we do bad things, it hurts the Lord's feelings too. The Lord wants us to accept other people's apologies. Or in this case, say we're sorry. And according to the Bible, if we tell God we're sorry, He'll always forgive us. No matter what. Well, according to that, Jimmy, did you know this one? Maybe, 7 times? Ooh, 70 times 7. One question. Do you know what 70 times 7 is? No, not really. According to your own, do you know? Okay, we're gonna need some help. Did you have to ask Big World, the one who created us? Gee, Jimbo, maybe you could just ask the people in the story? You're welcome. Well, you have it, Johnny. 490 times. No, that's not it, Thomas. That's genius! So, when they changed your name to the Squeeze of Wrath, I was forgiven. But then one time, the Dad, Smiley, and Charlie, they had home for supper. And the Squeeze of not Wrath, go out and share the nightmares and smartness with the rest of the world. The end. Thank you. Well, big world. There is no point to this. Everyone knows when you had to do a commercial, you had to have a point. Do you accept Omatic? So you just use a machine instead of asking the Lord? Okay, now we got 2 problems. And even though that thing is guilty, as Lemieux would put it, how does that thing even work? You just gotta say it, press the button, bingo, the Lord accepts your apology. Holy heaven, God! Thanks to this commercial, the world of the Bible is not making any sense! There's more? Wait, what is he doing in that commercial? Stop! Are you sure about this? No! I really wanted to end. You are not gonna convince me. That's it. French floors? No! Don't you! Oh, for crying out loud! Jason! Will you get that? I can't do that! I need it! Trying to do a chill thing? That's a do it! You and I What? Matt, G-O-S-H. How could I forget? You would. Would you? I have no idea yet. Oh, let me say yes. Well, since I told the squares of wrath, why don't you take this one? Yeah, you see, we have this bowl, and we take the people, and we put them in the bowl, and we give them a ride way down, that'd be way down in the ocean. You see? Ooh, sorry. My mistake. Please, carry on. And Jimmy, he was brave answer. Wait a minute. The mate was a mighty sailor, mighty skipper, brave and sure. Ah, yes. A 3-hour tour. Sorry, first habit. And the two yours trulies were here. Yes. Oh, and don't forget his wife. Ah, wait, you mean Tina Triangle and Marianne Circle. Yeah, they should have come, but they canceled. Remember? And like I say, we did a really good job if I do say so myself. What they do is alligator. That is very nice. Super lemon stickers, see? Relax, I totally got this. Don't worry one bit. Oh boy, now this is a life. There is nothing, and I mean nothing, I'd rather be than first mate Alvin. Well, nothing that is, except... Chocolate and colorful Captain Alvin Macaron, world famous blushing ice liquor planet. Today, Captain Alvin was 3 dolphins. As you can see, 2 great dolphins trumped in ice. But there's a really big problem. With lots of icebergs stuck with Captain Alvin and dolphins, there might not be time to go longer. For surely Captain Alvin is now blaming us to smash through the icebergs. No one has ever done such a thing. Yes, this is no time for cowards like a cowardly liar. Captain Alvin must fight the iceberg and free the dolphins. Ah, Commander Jimbo has come to congratulate Captain Alvin's bravery. Not now, Jimmy. First I'm gonna smash Jimmy's iceberg and freeze him away. Yeah? What do you call that? Wait, what? Yes? What just happened? Okay, as you can see, there were 2 dolphins stuck in the ice, and the only way to get them out was to smash right through that iceberg over there. Exactly, it turned out to be a rock. And here's a fun fact, rocks are a lot harder than icebergs. Maybe it was because I daydreamed even though Jimmy didn't tell me to? Well, I was bored. I lost my head. Okay, I apologize. I really apologize. But hey, the bright side, the bonus are floated. That's Alvin 1, others 0. Okay, take back everything I said. Others 1, Alvin 0. Gee whiz, it's kind of nice out here. Hey, Jimmy, maybe this won't be so bad after all. Right? I just apologize, and at least you and those 3 smarties can just accept it. I apologize, but and it's not my fault that I'm such a cone who's too goofy. Not good enough. Not good enough? What do you mean by not good enough? Wait a minute. You think I'm not good enough? They think you're goofy cone. They all think you're not good enough. Maybe they'll just be better if I just left. And that's what I'll do. I'm just gonna take my things and just go away. Yeah. Let me see if I brought my things. I got my harmonica, my megaphone. Huh. I don't have any things. Oh wait, they got sucked in by the boat. Well, I'll just go. Just me, my hand, and the 2 things I already have. Goodbye, everyone. Especially you, Jimmy. I hope you find a first mate that's good enough. I said, hold on, hold on, I need to adjust this. Work with me. Okay, check. Can you guys hear me now? So I said, you guys don't like me anymore, so I'm just gonna leave. Who didn't know this would actually come in handy? I must go. I am going to blistering winds and scorching desert, climb to the highest top, meeting a princess, and what? You do? Yeah. Okay then. I accept your apologies. Yep. And we know how to make stuff with bamboo. We can make a bamboo rat, a bamboo cat, a bamboo cowboy, bamboo helicopter. Bamboo. 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 Yep. And when like these, we learn we can accept others' apologies. And when we accept their apologies, we all feel better. Now you didn't. Or in this case, forgive others. The Lord made you special, and He loves you very much. Bamboo, I mean bye.